I'm Josh.
And I'm Allison.
And welcome to the Earthadelic Roadshow.
So y'all have seen this one before, but we wanted to give an update because we actually have plaster in the pool now. We're filling it up and it's looking so good out here.
And I'm gonna jump in.
There's not enough water for that.
So we're gonna start here with the pool. Check this out. We're filling it up with water as I speak. We've got the plaster done. And in terms of plaster, man, this stuff is beautiful and really soft when it comes to a gunite pool. I believe the color's French gray. Don't quote me if I get it wrong. One of my project managers will yell at me. But check this out. This little tanning ledge right here, complete with bubblers that are installed right here, which is really cool. And then remember, last time we were here, we talked about what's gonna be on the side of each pool, these big laminar jets that will shoot streams of water out over the pool, and they've got lights in them, so it'll look like a sheer light coming out over the pool. It's gonna be the best spot to check out this absolutely amazing view of the Tennessee River.
So the last time we were here, we didn't have any of this turf, the trees. Actually, I don't think that landscaping was over here either. So it's really exciting to show you all the updates. So as you can see, we talked about that symmetrical design where we have 4 trees over here, 4 trees over here, and we have lighting and irrigation throughout all of this as well. And this retaining wall right here that kind of makes a seat wall. So we had our friends at Playwright put in this beautiful turf down here. You might have seen some of that on our social media. And then we've got these trees and little beds around them that's going to grow up and flourish throughout the years and make this a complete oasis. And as you can see, we have this octagonal area over here that is going to have a structure built on it here very soon. So they'll probably start construction on that here in a couple weeks. And it's going to mimic what the structure looks like on the other side of the garage. So it's very exciting. We'll probably have even more updates because this project is just so massive and multifaceted. So just stay tuned for that. All right, one last little thing. And also, you might have seen a girl kind of behind me filming. We are doing some exciting stuff with One Knox today here out of this project, filming a Made in Knoxville segment. So we're really excited about that. She was getting some B-roll, so you got to see a little bit of behind the scenes there. But I wanted to show you this landscaping back here behind me, behind this seat wall that we've created. It is so lush and beautiful. Our landscape designers really knocked this one out of the park. It's got multi-layers of different heights of plants and color, and it is so beautiful, so serene back here. And just take a look at this.
So still a ton of work to do out here. We've got the irrigation in, but we've got lots of lighting that's coming. We're still doing that decorative hardscape pattern up by the house. You know, remember this is a historic home built in 1899, so it takes a long time to make sure we get everything put in and it matches the aesthetic of the home exactly. But we're excited to show you off the end of the project, hopefully within the next month or so.
Well, and this is just the first stop on this road show. We wanted to just give you a quick update. So we got 2 more sites to hit, so stay tuned.
All right, stop number 2 here on the roadshow. We're just inside Lenoir City on the far side of Farragut. We had a customer call us out here and they wanted a brand new pool renovation. We're talking new plaster. They had a concrete deck around the pool. They wanted to come in and do some pavers. So we were happy to come in and help them out. But once we got started, we realized that this pool actually was not viable. The original installers did not shoot the gunite to be fully formed, and it was far too thin for us to be able to warranty the project. So we came back and said, look, here's what we need to do to structurally build this pool and spa properly. They were so thankful that we found the problem before their pool broke off and fell down the yard. So we came back in, we did new gunite in the pool. We pulled the spa out completely and reshot all of it, replumbed it all. And now we're coming back in at this point to do some beautiful pavers around here that I want to show you right now. So originally this pool had an old school concrete deck and it had this structure sitting on it behind me, which we were able to carefully take off, set to the side, and when we finished the project, we were able to bring it back and set it right back where it was. We're replacing that old school concrete deck with these beautiful pavers and a herringbone pattern. And this is a really intricate pool. It's got lots of really cool curves and features, and so not any mason can come in and do this sort of work. There's going to be lots of cuts. You can see the coping is curved all the way around. All the edges on the coping have this beautiful squared up pattern, and then a beautiful feature in this pool, we got a little tile feature wall where the spa is going to spill over into the rest of the pool. Fantastic rescue project that we have going on out here in Lenoir City.
This is another rescue mission. So what you see behind me is a beautiful kidney-shaped pool that we've got going in here. There was a pool here before, but this pool was really, really compromised and really, really dangerous. Hey, buddy. And so the soil under here is very loose. It was not compact enough, and the pool itself was compromised and was falling in on it, potentially going to fall in on itself. So we took everything out and we've completely compacted this dirt and made it structurally sound. We've built this whole new pool out here. So this is not just a pool refurb. This is a completely new pool that we've got going on out here, and another rescue mission. So this is going to be a beautiful space out here in Riverbend, and we've got beautiful hardscaping and bullnose coping going in around it, landscaping plan all around. This is going to be a little paradise back here. Well, we've made it to our last spot in this roadshow, and I think the term for this show is rescue mission.
How fantastic is this? 3 tiers of retaining walls right on the Tennessee River. And yeah, there's a rescue portion of this. Let's check it out. Beautiful riverfront property out here. Man, I am so jealous. This is so gorgeous. They had an existing dock and an existing retaining wall, but that retaining wall, it was failing. You know, these lakefront properties can have some erosion issues. So we came in and engineered a beautiful feat of hardscape right here, 3 tiers of retaining walls that's going to protect their property for the foreseeable future. So let's go check out each level.
Well, I'm at tier 1 of this amazing feat of engineering that we've got going on here. And this first level, we've got beautiful planting beds throughout. We've brought out this block wall here, and I just love the coloring of this natural looking block wall. It makes everything kind of just look so organic and beautiful and match the rest of the home so perfectly. And before, this was kind of a failing wall down here. It didn't look great. So now we have completely transformed this space, and this is just tier 1. So let's go to tier 2.
All right, this is tier 2, and this is the party zone. We've got this beautiful flagstone patio that we've got mortared in here, and the best view in all of Knoxville, I'd say, although we got a couple of job sites that are gonna compete for it, some in this roadshow, as you've seen. We've got lighting in every section of this coming up the stairs all around here, so you can be out here anytime, night or day, and then the hangout area continues over into the yard as we've got this beautiful fire pit right here where people are going to be able to hang out. And believe it or not, we did such a great job at this part that these customers have called us and said, hey, we're having some issues with our deck. And so it looks like another project is on the horizon. Let's give you a preview of that.
So in the beginning of this intro of this little segment, you know, I mentioned rescue mission. This that you see behind me is the rescue mission. So whenever our seasoned construction estimation guru at Earthadelic is scared to step out on a structure, you know to be scared of that structure. So we are actually going to be completely redoing this deck. That is our next phase of this project. So not only have we done this 3-tiered beautiful wall structure out here to make this lakefront property just shine, we are now going to have a beautiful deck up here, going to be structurally sound and match everything else that we have going on in this area. All right, well, this is it for this episode of the Roadshow.
We visited not 3, but 4 fantastic properties, 3 different pool projects, all with different elements, and now this fantastic lakefront property in Farragut.
It just shows how much our guys care about making sure the project is done right and fixing what this person may have in their home that is an asset to their home, but may not be safe, it may not be structurally sound. We're here to come in and rescue that space and make sure that it's usable for years to come.
Yeah, we didn't even mention it, but in order to do this job, we had to bring a barge in from the river. That's right, we didn't come in from the front of the house. We came in on the river with a barge and a crane, and we did all of our work on the water to start this out. What other company in Knoxville can do that and do it in-house? Whether it's construction, interior, exterior, outdoor living, Earthadelic can do it all, and we want to help you on your next project.
Yeah, so give us a call. The phone number is 865-806-1125, or go to our website, fill out a form, and we'll help you out on your project at your home.
We'll be talking to you soon.
And we've got 2 more sites to show you guys here shortly, so stay tuned for that.
Hold on.
Actually, no, I don't like that either.
That sucks.
Yeah, it does suck. Yeah.
Let me start.